everyone, my name is Prisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today, Rarity is sitting with me, the unicorn. Today we are going to make one more birthday card video. Let's begin. For this video, we need one white sheet for making the base. We have some sparkly sheets. Green, pink, yellow, blue, red and orange. We also have some normal sheets like yellow, purple, white, orange and also red. We have 3 colored sheets that I showed you. We are going to cut 3 circles out of these using caps, bottle caps. Circles of different sizes and this is the smallest.